Hello guys, good morning friends. Are you mining Openex coin OEX? I already shared with all my teams a few weeks ago OEX mining in Satoshi application, and they have a total of 1 billion, then successfully mined 700 million, and remaining 300 circulation supply. At listing time is only 30 CORE. I remember this is an open exchange coin, and there is only 1 billion total supply, of which only 30 zero of tokens will hit the market. If the core blockchain coin had only 600 million tokens in the market with its supply of 2 billion coins, and had gone up to $15 with the listing. So I definitely will have an idea of where OpenX can go. So the token is a mining event of OEX, yeah. And OEX is an exchange, a significant partner of the OKX exchange. OKX is a world-renowned cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its credibility and its reputation as a leading global exchange. These are currently among the highest potential mining campaigns. Take notes, please. So act quickly to start mining the promising OEX token for free. Now, there's something you all should understand about cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining is not a get rich quick method, rather it's a time consuming process. Crypto mining does not guarantee 100% success, and we will carefully select projects with potentials of doing well. Doesn't matter how much value the tokens you mine hold. What matters is how many of those tokens you have ready to trade. So I'm sure you all understand. So thank you for your understanding. Now, the reasons why you should participate in OEX token mining on the CORE DAO app. There are several reasons why you should engage in OEX mining. It is supported by CORE, a leading airdrop application with over 5 million downloads, making it widely popular and maintaining top rankings on both Google Play Store and Apple Store. I'm sure most of you engaged in core mining when it was posted on some of our platforms or VIP groups. And now on their social media platform, they have over 2 million followers. Let's all verify that. Let's see if we are correct. Let's see if we are correct. Just for proofs. Core DAO. Can you see Core DAO here? They have over 2.1 million followers currently. Yeah, 2.1 million followers. So making it a project with potentials. That's what makes it a project with potentials. So OpenX stands out with a robust community and notable partnerships like Core DAO, making it a project with potentials. So right now we are going to know how to mine this OEX token on the CORE DAO app. Now, our next step is to register an account on OEX. As after downloading the app on Play Store, you just go to your Play Store and you type Satoshi, formerly known as CORE DAO, but it's Satoshi currently. So you install. It's currently installing. Now you go for open. Now our aim is to register a new account. So we are just gonna click on start airdrop. Start airdrop, as you can see on the screen. Then I'll click on register. Then I'm going to fill in my email. Then I have read and accept the, click the box beside it, which is over here. Then you go for your next. Email has been registered. Please use forgot password. Okay, mine has been registered. If not, you're not going to encounter this. You just put in your verification code that I'll send to your mail. You go to your mail, you check for the code, and you put it back. So right now I'll just tap on confirm. Then I'll tap on next. Okay, I'll just return back. Then I will do forgotten password because mine had this particular situation. So find my password. Now they have, okay, please enter verification code. The verification code is over here, as you can see. That's 6366. Confirm. Enter the code sent to your Gmail. Now I'm gonna go to my Gmail. This. Okay, this is the code. I'll copy. And then I'll paste. And confirm. And I'm setting my new password right now. Confirm. I tapped on confirm and it's telling me the new password cannot be the same as the previous password. So I'm sure I was right about my password. So I'll just put in my password all together. Then I'm gonna log in. Okay, I've been mining it. So I'll just go ahead and I'm in the app right now. So if your OEX isn't showing, all you have to do is just, if something like this is not showing and it's other airdrops that are showing, the only way you can change it is by tapping on okay, you can only participate in a limited amount of airdrops. All you have to do is to go towards your project section, which is over here. Then you tap on it. Like you can see, I'm already activated on the Openex OEX, which is over here. Now, if I want to quit this airdrop, I could quit it, but I don't want to because this is the airdrop I'm after. Then other airdrops are there which are not really regarded, but the main update right now is the Openex. That's okay. As you can see here, they give a brief explanation on how the Openex operates, the advantages, the everything, the summary, everything. You're gonna get it, all the information about it. The Twitter, the websites, the Openex websites, and everything you need concerning Openex is there. So all you do is just participate in the airdrop. If you don't have vacant space to participate, you go and you quit some airdrop. Like this one now, I've not tapped. They are showing participate in airdrop, which is over here. You participate, then the one you need to quit for the one you need to participate, you come and you quit it. but please take note, do not quit this Openex airdrop instead participating in it. So back to our Openex. Now, in order to mine, all we do is just come over here. Yeah, it's not hard. Just claim every day. You claim 25 rounds. As you can see, 25 rounds of unclaimed airdrop suspended automatically. So you come there and you do that every day. Over here you can invite 3 people and increase your mining rate. Over here, at least for the start, 3 people. Then increase your mining rate. As you can see, you can also recruit 3 people. You can recruit your own teammates. The first 3 people are successfully recruited. I start airdropping each person. We rewarded 50k and a total of 150k. Every day you come and you do it. Every day you come and you do it. Consistency is what keeps you going. Consistency is what can change lives. Thank you. This is Crypto Connect Hub. Kindly subscribe and share. I appreciate it. Bye bye.